Hello to everyone. Today we are going to discuss the multiple choice question type in which you have to choose a single answer in your PTE reading exam. So in reading there are different kind of questions which comes, and probably out of all those questions this is the easiest one, where what you need to do is you need to choose just one option out of the 4 or 5 multiple options given to you. You just need to read the paragraph, a small passage, and then you have to choose one single correct answer which you think most appropriately answers the correct question which was asked there. So what you need to do is the few things which we need to take care. So for these kind of questions, the time is the key. Some of the questions could be a little confusing for you, so you need to make sure that all the questions which comes, which usually are 2 to 3 questions in an exam, and which you need to do this in less than a minute. You need to quickly go through all the options probably, or if you are very sure of the correct answer, you can directly go to the right one and quickly finish this type of questions. I would suggest that you should not spend more than 1 minute on this type of questions, because there are other question type which are coming over for you in this exam which are much more important. Okay, so from the scoring part, again there is no deduction for any incorrect response. If you're going for a correct response, +1 to you, but no deduction. So if nothing you are sorting out there's a lot of confusion, then at least you can try to have a guess, choose whatever you think is right, and then quickly move ahead. So this is, for example, one sample question which you can see right in front of you. This is almost 200 words, and which you need, there are 4 options for this question which you need to correct. Now if you read out the whole thing, you can stop this video for a moment and you can read out the whole passage. Now in this passage, the author is talking something about the crime rates, and it is dropping for different reasons, and the number of years they've been talking about. So you try to figure out what is the question about, and something similar to this must be, you will be able to find this in the passage. So the question is, why was the fall in the crime rate particularly surprising? So something striking about the fall in the crime rate, and you try to quickly figure out where it is written in the text. If you see, there is a line here, the crime drop was startling in several respects. So now it gives a hint that after this in the passage there would be something written why this is there's something striking about the drop in the crime. And if you read out, you can easily make out that okay, it occurred in all the criminal categories and persisted for a number of years, so probably this is the correct answer. So one of the simplest question type in your PTE exam, which you shouldn't be going wrong, and there's no negative market, so you can always go for some kind of guesswork here. I wish you all the best.